If you feel like life is moving, but you are not going anywhere, listen carefully. These are the 5 signs that you are wasting your time. Number 1, teammate. You're always busy, but never productive. Number 2, you keep explaining your dreams instead of working on them.
Number 3, you wait until you feel ready. But ready is a feeling that never comes. And number 4, you repeat the same thing every day and expect a different life.
Number 5, you ignore what truly matters for what feels easy right now.
One day, you'll look back and realize you had the time. You just didn't use it. Thanks for watching Triumph Stories and Speeches. Please subscribe and start taking your time seriously.